What's up, you guys, and thank you for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, hit the link, ring the bell. Right here, this is a triplex. We're gonna take a walk through. I have this one under contract. I'll be doing the renovations and the rehab on this one pretty soon. I'm very excited about this one. This is my first multifamily unit. I normally do residential, but I decided I'll try to do a multifamily unit. I got this one for a pretty good deal and I couldn't pass it up. So we're gonna go through, we're gonna walk through and check everything out. There's one bedroom on each side. This is the one bedroom. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen right here. It looked like they already came through and tried to run some plumbing. They tried to run some plumbing. So, and it's on a crawl space. This is on a crawl space. And the reason why you can tell it's on a crawl space, you can actually go up under the house. You can actually crawl through the crawl space and not sitting on the foundation. I can see myself going in and out of this one.
Yeah.
This one's not that bad at all. Yeah, it just need a little love.
Yeah, that's it.
So this needs some love. A little love and affection. One bathroom right here. This is a bathroom right here. This room right here leads up to up top. It's a studio up top, but we're gonna shut this one down. We're gonna block this one out. We'll take you around. We're gonna go upstairs to the studio up top. And here goes the studio. And so what I have in mind for this top unit right here, what I have in mind for this one, I may just do Airbnb on this unit right here. So you can come through, you can see right here. There's a whole nother room right here. And then the bathroom sits over in here. You got a bathroom sits over in there. Over here you have another room. So there's another room that, you know, we can do whatever we want to do with it. Just be creative with it. But I like it. Got a lot of potential. It's got a lot of potential. I put some sweat equity in this one. I put some real sweat equity in this one. All right. This is the other side right here. This is the kitchen. And you got another room over here. Oh. 900 to 1,000 square feet per unit. And yeah, man. I'm impressed. I like it. We got some work to do, but we're gonna get it done. We got some work to do. Yes, sir. We're gonna bring this beauty back. We gonna bring this beauty back. And we gonna bring this beauty back, so I want y'all to stay tuned for the rehab. Also, check out the area. Check out the area. I want you to check out the area. So, if you look around. Real nice area, historic, very nice. Historic area. This is considered a business district, and also, you know, it's considered a commercial district. So, a very good area. We're gonna make this one happen. We're gonna make it do what it do. Y'all stay tuned for the rehab. I'd like to thank you guys for tuning in to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. Peace.